Hey there, welcome to this tutorial video. Today, I'll guide you through the process of changing Taobao to English. If you're attempting this on the mobile application, unfortunately, it's not a straightforward task. App languages can't be easily changed like website languages. So, the easiest method is to use a desktop computer. First, head to the Taobao website. You'll notice that it's not in English. However, a pop-up may appear, offering to translate it from Chinese to English. If you accidentally close the pop-up before translating, don't worry. Simply click on the three vertical dots located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Translate to bring up the translation option again. You'll have the freedom to choose any language you prefer. In this case, we'll select English. After selecting your preferred language, click Done. Now, you'll see the website quickly translated into English. This way, you'll be able to understand what's happening on the Taobao website. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like. Stay tuned for more useful content, and I'll catch you in the next one.